So this is my experimental barley field. Even though I grew up in the Midwest, it's kind of embarrassing. I don't really know anything about growing wheat or grains, even though my dad had a combine, he grew wheat. But this is barley. It's a short season crop, so it's a grain that grows well in Alaska in our short season. So I'm just experimenting with harvesting by hand. So I'm just kind of taking the grains, stripping the heads off and throwing them in there. And the straw I'm putting on piles because we can dry it for dog bedding. It's good straw. So
she's thinking of you, Hank.
yeah, he's trying to stay out, even though there are apparently mice in here after the grain because he's hunting them. But anyway, this is really easy to grow. I never weeded it. We just rototilled, planted. This is hulless sunshine barley, and I should have harvested it while it was still sunny and warm. And then the rain hit. It's been really rainy, so I've never threshed it or anything, so it's all an experiment.
Hurry up and make hay.
Well, the sunshine.
Oh, is that what that phrase means? Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, well, next year.
I shall know.
You will do this next year. This was a total success, wasn't it?
Well, I think so. I'd like to add some topsoil. I think it'd help it be a little bit more consistent.
It was
There's
gorgeous.
A small
It
spot
really,
really tall.
I was impressed for what little we did to it.
Yeah.
I think it was a success.
I never weeded it. We just planted and now we're harvesting. So.